Hello guys, in this video we shall see and understand about palm mounts and their positives and negatives. I am telling in simple ways so that you will understand easily. There are 8 mounts on the palm. They are Jupiter mount, Saturn mount, Sun mount, Mercury mount, Mars 2, Venus mount and Moon mount. How to identify mounts means if the flesh on that area is full like swollen and soft, it is called developed mount. If the area is flat or depressed, then it is undeveloped mount. Identification of the mount is little bit difficult, but if you practice, you can easily find out. If the mount is fully developed, all the positives and benefits of that mount the person will have. Now let us see about the mount of Jupiter. This is present below the index finger. When this Jupiter mount is larger or high on the palm, then such person has desire to dominate, rule others, lead in life. Along with this mount, the headline should be long and clear. Then only these qualities will be there. And if the person with short or wavy headline along with high Jupiter mount, then that person has excess pride, overconfident and egoist. Now next we will go for Saturn mount. This mount is present under the middle finger. When this mount is high or developed, these people love to be alone in life. They are cautious in life. They are serious in their life. They study serious things. When this mount is undeveloped or flat, then those people are not serious and don't have serious purpose in their life. I mean, this type of living they have. Again, if Saturn mount is strong, they feel responsibility heavily. They are devotional nature. They are strict in duty. They do love also like duty. That's why they are often misunderstood. They are loyal friends and give much value to friendship. Now let us go for face reading. Coming to face reading, let us see the outer shape of the face. Square face. These people are commercial type and have good business skills. The square shape how to find means if you draw outer line of the face, this should be square or rectangular. By practice you will get this. These people follow rules in their life. Now next coming to round face. These people are artistic in nature. They like natural things. They like nearby nature. Many actors come into this type. Now next is V-shaped face. This if you see top side area of the head is broad and as you come down to chin area it is narrow. These people are highly intellectual. They are scientists. They are very good during their education. If you observe all intellectual faces, you can see it. If you see the toppers in any education institutes, you can find such people. Now next coming to oval shape. This shape has top side of head area is narrow and bottom side area is broad. This also like round face people love art and music. Many great musicians come into this type. They are creative and will not follow rules and not systematic. Okay friends, I hope you better understand today's topic. Any doubts ping me personally on my Telegram account given below. If you like this video, please subscribe and share this video. Thank you for listening.